Don't film me.
Shut up, Andre.
We don't want to break the camera.
Andre's in plenty of videos. So, remember when the jackasses downtown, which we're not going to name... Michelle! Oh, God, we all got allergic. What the fuck, man? That was bad. Yeah, those clowns. Remember when they effed up your oil drain pan plug? You know what I'm saying in the video a while back?
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
That's the same one where I was playing with Joey's shaft.
The old shaft.
And he said he liked it.
Yeah,
he
but
said,
now...
I was good. I played with his shaft. Nice.
But now he likes the new shaft. Anyway, on the way... God, we go way off kilter. Anyway, the train has derailed. Okay. Breather cap. Go ahead and try to take that off, Scotty. Those are supposed to come off gently by hand. Hold on, we have Andre the Giant, Hogan, Hulk. Oh yeah, Macho Man, Randy Savage.
My wedding ring doesn't want to come off, but I don't want to scratch anything.
Yeah. Watch Andre pull it. I'm pretty sure people...
Try and twist and turn and shout and let it all out.
I'm pretty sure people...
Oh, God.
Are you having a seizure?
Almost. Yeah, they fucked that up.
Yeah, they must have beat the living shit out of that to put it on there, because that's supposed
to pop right
gently
off.
slide off.
Yeah.
So now, how the hell do we put oil in your motor?
Okay. Do we have...
Yes, we have bars.
We're gonna have to try to.
I am getting angry.
Because this should just.
Downtown shell.
Jesus
what
Christ.
The fuck? Oh, good. That's aluminum too.
Aluminium if you're across the pond.
Across the pond, eh?
No, not that pond.
Oh, not the Great Lakes?
No, stupid. We're talking about the Atlantic. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Crikey.
Okay, I need something square.
You can do it.
You are square.
Well, not really.
Put your back into it, you silly bitch.
Like this.
Oh, honey, we're not twerking.
Oh, God.
Look like two pigs.
You know what?
Under a blanket.
You know what? I have to say I love coming to work every day because I don't know what kind of shenanigans are going to go down.
Okay, yeah. That might be a little, dare I say, too long.
Andre's never said that.
Would you just cry, you bitch?
Careful.
Okay, I'll push. You pull. No. Pull up here.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God, it's not fucking coming. Did it move?
I'm not sure. Do it again.
It's twisting.
What in the...
Oh, my God, are you kidding me?
Did these idiots do to this?
It doesn't screw on.
No.
No.
No, they pop on. They press on. What the The fact that there's 3 of us fucking with this because...
Yeah, this is the only thing holding us up from taking this car for a test drive.
Yeah, we seriously need to do this in the bump
Well,
stops.
that and the belts.
Tighten the belts, but...
Okay, let's do...
Oh, my God. Let's
What are you
get
thinking?
some... I would almost... Oh, I am so...
We may have to take the valve cover off.
Oh, we pour it directly down the...
Oh, that's...
No. And
No, this is... I can't do it this way.
oh yeah.
I've heard
it's
that...
too long.
No, I'm saying
Another
take the valve
thing-
cover
another
off
thing Andre's
to
never
figure
said.
out why we can't get the cover off.
You get the breather off, yeah.
Yeah.
Because that needs to...
That needs to come off, and...
That is insane.
It looks... This whole thing comes off here, right?
No, that stays in there.
Yeah, that stays in.
So
tube
it's
stays.
just... It's just...
It's a,
It
it's a
has 2
circular,
little tangs.
It's a circular shaft like
It's supposed
this,
to go in, yeah.
and they've got 2 little
2
metal
little
pieces
tangs.
that kind of go in place
Okay.
and push out like springs.
Yeah, and I've never had one take any effort at all to pull off.
Yeah, I mean normally you breathe on them and they
Right.
fall off.
Yeah, usually they fall off.
Yeah.
Usually they fall off with
And they usually...
crankcase pressure.
Oh my God in heaven.
And Andre's the strongest guy we know.
Bitch.
Well,
Well,
That is
that's
ridiculous.
fucked.
What the fucking hell did they do?
Well,
I mean, I have this...
apparently
in the,
they do
I
not
have this
like
in the
old cars.
72. And
Yeah, and it
pops-
comes right
yeah,
off.
It comes
They-
right off.
with
Like,
2 fingers.
it barely...
Yeah, with 2
Did
fingers.
we
it'll come
fucking,
off.
like... Did we put, like, never see or,
They did something.
The only other thing I can think of is pulling the valve cover.
At this point, we might have to.
I mean, if nothing else, to find out why we can't get this off.
Yeah. And usually...
I think maybe you should bill a separate section for this and send it to them.
Yeah. Because if they're the ones that did this, then yeah,
How much
we need
you
to
wanna
find
bet they
out.
fucking put Loctite on that motherfucker because they're too
We're gonna
goddamn
find out.
stupid.
Yeah.
But, yeah, Joey, we're gonna bill it all out. We're gonna make this its own thing. And then,
Oh my god.
you can just show them this video and we can deal with that.
Charge them.
Yeah.
Either that, or you can get them to pay for something, or we can show everyone what they've done.
We're going to do that anyway, because fuck them, that's why. All right, so valve cover's coming off, which sucks.
Yeah, because it's a cork gasket.
Yeah. So careful. All right. We will know here momentarily.